Okay, hello everyone. The last talk of the series. So we made it almost to the end. So thank you very much for bearing with us. We had 9 fantastic speakers today, and they gave us a very nice overview about how neuroimaging and neuromodulation can interact. And we started with that specific slide in the morning, how both sides are interacting. And as Desmond beautifully mentioned, it's not just neuroimaging informed neuromodulation, but also neuromodulation, how neuroimaging is going to be informed by neuromodulation. So both sides can interact with each other in the context of neuroimaging, in kind of with neuromodulation, how they play with each other and how they can provide the future of the field. So when I was discussing with Robin was thinking it would be nice if we, at the end, we have a little bit of overview about what is going to happen in the future. So in my talk, I will try to go a little bit beyond what we are already doing and think about how things are going to look like in the future, okay? So let's think together for the next 30 minutes. We have been discussing about different ideas, how these things are interacting, but let's start thinking about, okay, what do we want to see in the future? Okay, what are the things that we want to see when we come back again in Toronto, maybe in a year or in 2 years, and see what are the things that we have been able to accomplish together, or what are the things that we want to do in the next steps. Think about how regulatory things, how insurance coverage, how clinical aspects, how modeling things that we have been discussing, what type of new trials that we need to have. Z was discussing about we need to have more data. What type of more data we need? Let's just think about what is going to be the next steps in the future. So the title that I was thinking about was, everybody's interested to talk about AI these days, right? So, that's a hot topic, and we cannot finish this panel without discussing AI, of course. So I will discuss a little bit about AI and what is FM and VBT. Who knows what is FM in the context of AI? Who knows what is FM in the context of AI? Abbreviation of foundation models. Okay. And what is VBT? Who knows what is VBT? Okay. So more people know what is VBT. So we'll discuss a little bit about that, and also some targeting biomarkers. So my name is Hamed Ektiari, University of Texas in Dallas, University of Texas Southwestern. No conflict of interest. I should thank my colleagues and collaborators at Lloyd Institute for Brain Research at the University of Minnesota, and my lab members at the University of Minnesota. And I recently moved my lab to the University of Texas Southwestern. Now I'm part of a multidisciplinary team of people who are doing interventional psychiatry, and a fantastic team from different disciplines working together. And we try to see how we can bring brain imaging and neuromodulation to clinical practice. And we are hiring junior faculty members. So if you are postdocs or you are super brilliant PhD student and you want to jump into faculty position, we are definitely happy to discuss and having some meetings in coming days and see if we can hire you in Dallas, which is an 9 million population city. It's a huge city, very diverse. So we'll discuss about that.